My wife and son just brought back my lawnmower from Sears. I got a not repaired sign because they wanted $376 to fix it. I said, no, send it back. Okay? This is about 45 minutes later. Okay? My son took a look at the lawnmower. Go ahead, David. See what the lawnmower does. Go. What's wrong with that lawnmower? What's wrong with that lawnmower that they couldn't fix? What is wrong with that lawnmower that they couldn't fix? Here's what I had to buy because I had nothing to mow my lawn with for 3 weeks. Troy built at $400. My son fixed this lawnmower in
35 seconds.
35 seconds.
No tools.
It's running perfect now.